Aguila 360 plan. This is one of our biggest and best plans that is sa Aguila Task Management Services. Ito na ang services na naana mo, naa din hiya. Included not only the bookkeeping stuff, the bookkeeping task, accounting task, not only that, no, we also have the HR services, the payroll services, the payroll system itself, and we will be putting more services on this plan, like the marketing, puhon. Um, the goal is to have a whole team inside the plan. No? So if you're ready to listen what services currently are in this plan, then we can start the Aguila 360 plan introduction. So first service is the DTI and SEC registration. So if you're planning to have a business nga ikaw lang ang owner, sole proprietorship, then we can process your DTI registration. And if you're planning to have a corporation, daghan mo sa business, then we can process the SEC registration. So just to clear it out ha, kay this will be the first time that you will hear na in just a single plan that you will pay every month, nanay mga services na included. So, ang standard bookkeeper manggod or standard bookkeeping firm, every lihok na kay bayad. Like, every lihok na kay kanang payment nga ipagawas. Dili manggod sa Agila, wala. So, if kami ang mo-process sa inyong SEC, especially SEC registration, at least 10 to 15,000 imong mabayaran just for the SEC registration. Kana gi-waive na mo ang tanang charges, wala na kay bayaran as long as you're subscribed to the plan, no? So, it's how it works. As long as nana siya sa list sa services, which is kani Aguila 360, tanang services na diri tanan. So, bisag unsay inyo ipabuhat para sa inyong business, amo nang buhaton with no extra charges, no? Alright. So next is the mayor's permit processing. This includes the registration and the renewal every January every year. Aside from the mayor's permit, or together with the mayor's permit, we will also process the sanitary permit, the fire certificate, the Senro certificate, and seek approval from BPLO, from CTO, and from zoning for us to proceed and to get your final permits. Aside from that, if you already have employees, we will process your DOLE registration as well. And aside from those services, uh, we also process the BIR filing. Of course, since you are registered sa BIR, you have this monthly and quarterly and yearly reports, which is it's already included. No, it's already included in the services. If you've heard about the April 15 yearly na deadline for the ITR, usual bookkeeping firms, they will charge for the processing sa annual income tax return. But for us, there will be no charges. You just have to pay for the taxes itself. Kasi magbayad pa ka ani, magbayad pa sa tax. So we removed all the unnecessary charges and just stick to the plan yun itself. And then aside from that, BIR filing and payment every month and every quarter, like the expanded withholding tax, the compensation withholding tax, percentage tax, and VAT, plus the income tax return. So all of the things that you need for us to do to comply with the BAR tax compliances, kami na ang mo handle ana on your behalf for your company, of course. All right. Next is the monthly on-site checkup, assist with the sales and expenses recording, guide on journal entry or journal recording. What we usually do, Manggod, if ever new business yan eh, after the registration, we schedule an orientation. We call it a start of business orientation, where we teach you and your staff on how to properly issue sales invoice or service invoice and how to properly record your transactions in the journal. So not a orientation, but I think it's the next day orientation for staffs upon start of operations. So it's what we do after the business registration. But if you subscribe to us, even if you're already registered, we can still schedule a start of business orientation so that you will be properly guided on how to record this, how to record that, how to issue this and that. Yeah. Okay, for the staff seminars as well, every now and then we conduct a free seminars, not only for your staffs, but also for you as a business owner, like leadership training seminar, HR seminar, etc. we will announce that if ever none tayo schedule because we're depending on the availability of the speakers, and for us as well there is a team nga dili may busy so we can set it up. Yeah. So tanang services na akong na-mention ganina naa na siya sa essentials tanan. However, for the next services na ako ipakita sa inyo ha, wala ni siya sa essentials na plan. Like the mayor's permit annual renewal services every January, wala na siya sa essentials. But here, if makuha ka essentials, you're gonna be charged for the annual renewal services. But for the Agila 360, you will not be, you will not be charged. Like free na siya, kaya included man na siya sa services under this plan. Aside from that, the registration to SSS, Pag-ibig and PhilHealth, kana hago biya kaya na siya nga process. More or less, at least 8 to 10,000 yung bayaran na just to register, but wala na kay bayaran ana. For the remittances as well, kami na po na ma-remit na every month. So, no need to pay extra to another bookkeeper, no, to just to process that. So, apil na siya sa plan. Unya, once ma-kurot na imong service invoice or sales invoice, kami na po na ma-reprint na. You just have to pay for the booklets. Okay, we don't have our own we don't have our own printing. So we partner with different printer, an accredited printer so that we can print your invoices easily. So, pero sa pag-process, di mo na deha-deha ang pag-print sad. I-process pa na siya sa BIR, mag-apply pa tag authority to print para maka-print si printer. So, kami ang process with no additional cost, with no additional charges. Yeah. Oros registration and books registration, mostly sa among mga clients nga mosulod na-register na sila sa BIR, wa sila kahibaw sa ng oros. Why? Kay there are no orientations mongod or trainings sa BIR that they have to kanang register to oros, and it's important yun nga as early as now ang mga businesses or inyong business is naa nay oros nga account kay in 2 years or 3 years maybe possibly ang BIR is online na sila tanan. Ana na hitabuon sa oros ang tanan nga mga transactions. Ayun. So as I've mentioned earlier, wala ni siya sa essentials plan. And then aside from that, the notary processing, if mapanotary mo sa inyong contract of lease, SPA, application forms, kami na po na process ana, doc stamp processing. If we have a new contract of lease, it really needs to be need gyud nga magbayad ta ana og doc stamp or else mo penalize si BIR. If you're a corporation, every year you are required to submit a GIS or General Information Sheet. Usually we charge 7,000 to 10,000 for that, depende sa unsa kadaghana ang incorporators. But for the Agda 360 plan, there's gonna be no charge, no extra charge for that. Free na namo nga i-process para sa inyo ha. Then change address processing. This is very common and very hassle jud kayo if you transfer from one office to another. Okay, you will be updating your DTI or your SEC, then you will be updating your mayor's permit and BIR. If ever registered na sad ka sa SSS pag ibig PhilHealth ka na i-update sa na nato. Which is dili gid siya easy kay ang mga certificates man gud kuan mo na siya, i-surrender na siya dito para may matagaan tag new certificate. But it's not that easy to process kay daghan kay sila kinahanglan itabuhat sa imuha, and it would take like weeks or months yun to process. So yun, as mentioned, wala sa ni siya sa essentials but naa ni siya sa Agile 360. Then available soon is the quarterly bookkeeping report, but we can possibly make it monthly if monthly lang po din yung mahatag na kanang kuan nga mga transactions, sales and expenses and so on. Kay currently manggod wala pa naman among developer sa pag-develop sa among accounting software, which is all of our clients will have that accounting software for free. Yeah. At any time you can always check your transactions. Pwede i-diretso na dito ang mga transactions para updated ang updated ang naa dito. Like updated ang transactions, ang financial reports nga i-generate ni accounting system. Aside from that, payroll services, it's still available soon din wala lang siya na-update, but it's already up and running. We can already have you use the payroll services where your employees will time in and time out every day. Then dito na po mag-process sa payroll. So as mentioned, we have this free time clock application, free payroll processing software, human resources services. Na natay employee relations part sa human resources, but for the talent acquisition, hiring, onboarding and offboarding, wala pa ta na sa system, but soon we are developing that, no? Para complete HR services naa sa naa sa system nato. Unya, ang mahitabo lang sa HR karon is ano kanang recording of all employee details and uploading of all employee kanang documents, documentary requirements during hiring nila. No? Mga medical reports, NBI, police clearance, and so on. Especially the resume, no? Aside from that, puhon, we will also have the system development services. My developer is still working on general systems na magamit sa inyong business like laundry or sari-sari store or unsa pa inyong business diha. We will be preparing a basic systems for that that you can use for free and you can also customize it whatever you want or whatever suits or fits your current process. Ayun. Okay, so as mentioned, wala sa ni siya sa essentials, only really good in Angular 360 plan. Like tanang plans or tanang services nga naa namo available namo nga mabuhat namo, naa diri sa Angular 360 nga plan gyud. Okay. Now for the rates, Angular 360 plan costs 5,000 per month for non-VAT and 6,500 per month for VAT registered entities. Okay. Then together na ani is ang free registration and setup sa inyong accounts. And if you want to avail, our first step is to schedule an onboarding orientation to this office. So makahibaw mo how we work, makahibaw mo who to contact, ang sa mga contacts, and makaila-ila pud mo sa mga tao dito sa office at mga team members na dedicated to assist you with your business processing. So, but if you cannot ano, visit here sa office diri sa Lahog, we can always set up a virtual onboarding orientation. Ang disadvantage lang is you cannot really see the people here in sa office and on sa issue sa mong office. So we really prefer you going here sa office for the onboarding so you can meet all of us working on your papers, on your business papers. But if tigil mada, virtual is perfectly okay. Said no problem. So just message us sa ang Facebook page. That's Aguila Tax Management Services. And our sales officer will contact you or will entertain you and schedule you an onboarding orientation. I hope to see you soon with this office.